Renaud Gabriel Camus is a French novelist, conspiracy theorist, and white nationalist writer. He is the creator of The Great Replacement, a far-right conspiracy theory that claims that a global elite is colluding against a white population of Europe to replace them with non-European peoples. Camus's views on The Great Replacement have been translated on far-right websites and adopted by far-right groups to reinforce their white genocide conspiracy theory. Renaud Gabriel Camus was born on 10 August 1946 in Chamalières, Auvergne, a rural town in central France. Raised in a bourgeois family, he is the son of Léon Camus, an entrepreneur, and Catherine Gertiot, a lawyer. His parents removed him from their will after he revealed his homosexuality. At 21, then a socialist, he participated in pro-LGBT marches during the May 1968 events in Paris. Camus earned a baccalaureate in philosophy in Clermont-Ferrand, Auvergne, in 1963. He then spent a year at a non-university college, St. Clair's, Oxford. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.